Okay, just wanted to dispel some myth with some of these cabin filters. Some of the things I've seen out there are incorrect on the web, and this is from a 2009 Taurus, may apply to other vehicles, but this little piston has to come off once you take out your glove box there. I wound up cutting this panel out and a nice sharp utility knife, and I was able to get the filter in there properly. It does look like there are tabs for this to drop down, but it's all molded. So anyway, if you're looking to replace your filter, you can either get a Motorcraft or another brand, but hope this helps somebody out that you can replace them. FP